Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, even if it's just for a few moments. To all the people that are loving on me, I so appreciate it. And I am going to make a little something out of all this wonderful stuff. Y'all, this stuff I got yesterday evening from my work. I work at a dorm, and the management, it's gotten around through me, of course, that I love arts and crafts. And so I got so many beautiful things that was going to be thrown out, and they decided to give this great stuff to me. I'm super excited about making something for Valentine's, which I didn't think I was going to have time to do. And I'm so excited. I can't even say how excited I am. And so grateful, so thankful. I have this old dollar store picture frame that I had used for something else, and I'm not even going to try to take the glue off of it because it's all going to be covered up. I have started off with taking a 2-strand of my Walmart diamond wrap and just placing it all the way around the sides. And then I've also taken some of these beautiful foam hearts, and some of them do have the adhesive on the back, but I also placed a little dab of hot glue. This rose is one of 2 that came in my gift baskets. I got some of these great leaves in my gift box, and I am just going to be cutting them off individually. I have added those leaves going all the way around and down, just using one direction. I've also added these real pretty roses. I got 2 of them from my box. And then I just added some older little roses that I got a long time ago from the Dollar Tree. And then, of course, I added some little embellishments on the top that I also received in my gift boxes, and here at the bottom. In my gift boxes, I found this and some other little plain note cards, and I thought it would be so cute to do like a little love letter theme. So I attached it in the center using diamond wrap, and then I also just put a strip of diamond wrap on the side and another little cute sticker. I attached it in the back using hot glue.